northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Geneva, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Schaumburg, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, Addison, Glendale Heights and Elk Grove Village. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 near mile marker 110, in between mile markers 133 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 73 and 82. Interstate 290 between mile markers 3 and 22. Interstate 355 between mile markers 22 and 30. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Fermilab, King County Cougars Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, and Wheaton College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI-58 Plano. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.